In the dynamic landscape of project management, where deadlines loom and collaboration is paramount, the need for a centralized and organized workspace is undeniable. Amidst the plethora of tools and methodologies, Basecamp stands out as a platform designed with a specific purpose: to simplify project management and foster effective teamwork. But what exactly is the purpose of Basecamp? Why do countless teams across various industries rely on it to navigate the complexities of their projects? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Basecamp's purpose transcends simply being a task management application. It acts as a digital headquarters, a central nervous system for your projects, designed to streamline communication, organize information, and ultimately drive successful outcomes. It's about creating clarity amidst chaos, ensuring everyone is on the same page, and fostering a collaborative environment where work flows smoothly. Let's delve deeper into the multifaceted purpose of Basecamp, exploring its core functionalities and how they contribute to effective project management. 1. Centralized communication, breaking down silos. One of the primary purposes of Basecamp is to centralize all project-related communication. In many organizations, discussions, updates, and feedback are scattered across emails, instant messaging platforms, and even informal hallway conversations. This fragmented approach can lead to miscommunication, missed information, and ultimately, project delays. Basecamp addresses this by providing dedicated spaces for discussions within each project. These campfires allow team members to engage in real-time conversations, ask questions, and share updates in a transparent and easily accessible manner. Unlike email threads that can become convoluted and difficult to track, campfires keep discussions focused and organized within the project context. Furthermore, Basecamp's messages feature provides a more structured approach for important announcements, detailed explanations, and formal updates. This ensures that critical information is documented and easily searchable, preventing key details from getting lost in the noise. By consolidating communication within the platform, Basecamp eliminates the need to constantly switch between different tools, saving time and reducing the risk of overlooking crucial information. This centralized approach fosters transparency and ensures that all stakeholders are informed and aligned. 2. Organized task management, clarity, and accountability. At the heart of any project lies the execution of tasks. Basecamp provides robust task management features designed to bring clarity and accountability to the process. The to-do lists functionality allows project managers to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign them to specific team members, and set due dates. This simple yet powerful feature ensures that everyone knows what they are responsible for and when it needs to be completed. The ability to add descriptions, attachments, and comments to each task provides further context and facilitates effective collaboration. Team members can update the status of their assigned tasks, providing visibility into progress and potential roadblocks. Basecamp also offers features like recurring tasks for repetitive activities and the ability to create dependencies between tasks, ensuring that work flows logically. The platform's visual overview of task progress helps project managers identify potential bottlenecks and proactively address any issues. By providing a clear and organized system for managing tasks, Basecamp empowers teams to stay on track and deliver results efficiently. 3. Document and file sharing, a single source of truth. Projects often involve a multitude of documents, files, and other resources. Managing these assets across various platforms can be a logistical nightmare, leading to version control issues, lost files, and wasted time searching for information. Basecamp's Docs and Files section serves as a centralized repository for all project-related documents. Team members can upload, organize, and share files securely within the project workspace. This eliminates the need to rely on email attachments or shared drives that can be difficult to navigate and maintain. The platform supports version control, ensuring that everyone is always working with the latest version of a document. Team members can also comment on documents, facilitating collaborative feedback and revisions. By providing a single source of truth for all project-related files, Basecamp streamlines information access, reduces confusion, and enhances collaboration. 4. Schedule and milestones, keeping projects on track. A Effective project management requires careful planning and adherence to timelines. Basecamp's schedule feature provides a visual overview of project deadlines, milestones, and events. This allows teams to stay informed about upcoming deadlines and track progress against the overall project timeline. Project managers can create events, set reminders, and assign them to specific team members. The calendar view provides a clear and intuitive way to visualize the project schedule and identify potential conflicts or overlaps. Milestones can be defined to mark significant progress points and keep the team motivated. By providing a clear and accessible project schedule, Basecamp helps teams stay organized, manage their time effectively, and ensure that projects remain on track. This proactive approach to scheduling minimizes the risk of delays and helps deliver projects on time and within budget. 5. Project updates and progress tracking. Visibility for all. Keeping stakeholders informed about project progress is crucial for maintaining trust and ensuring alignment. Basecamp's automatic check-ins feature allows project managers to schedule regular updates from team members on their progress, challenges, and next steps. These updates are collected in a central location, providing a comprehensive overview of the project's status. This eliminates the need for time-consuming status meetings and ensures that everyone has a clear understanding of what's happening. Furthermore, Basecamp provides visual indicators of task completion and overall project progress, allowing stakeholders to quickly assess the project's health. This transparency fosters accountability and enables proactive intervention if issues arise. By providing clear and consistent project updates, Basecamp keeps everyone informed and engaged. 6. Client collaboration. Seamless external communication. In many projects, collaboration with external stakeholders, such as clients or contractors, is essential. Basecamp's Client Projects feature allows project managers to create dedicated spaces for external collaborators, providing them with access to relevant information and enabling seamless communication. Project managers can control the level of access granted to clients, ensuring that they only see the information that is relevant to them. This facilitates efficient communication, feedback gathering, and approval processes without compromising the privacy of internal project information. By providing a secure and controlled environment for client collaboration, Basecamp streamlines external communication and strengthens relationships with stakeholders. 7. Fostering a collaborative culture. Teamwork made easier. Beyond its specific features, the overarching purpose of Basecamp is to foster a collaborative and transparent team environment.